COVID-19 and the zombie apocalypse has broken out. The big question, how to survive. Yesterday, my friend Jimmy was eaten by zombies while I looked out of my safe house's window. He will not die in vain. I will determine how fast zombies run using related rates to help me survive. This is Jimmy. These are the hordes of zombies that are chasing Jimmy. This is the lone zombie that is going to be eating Jimmy. And this is me, sitting happily in my safe house, watching Jimmy get eaten. Jimmy runs from the hordes of zombies. Zombie runs too. Oh no! They collide! Jimmy is eaten.
Using related rates, we can determine how fast the zombies are moving, which will be a key factor to survival in the zombie apocalypse. So here's what we know. The building is 50 feet by 110 feet.
The zombie is running at a rate of dZdt. Jimmy is running at a rate of dJdt. dJdt is 22 feet per second.
So, using what we know, we could use the area of the triangle formula, which is area equals 1/2 of base times height, although in this case it's z times j. Next, we have to differentiate it.
Now we have to differentiate both sides. To differentiate any constant, you get 0. So the derivative of the area is 0. Now we have to use the product rule. Do the constant multiple, we don't have to bother with the 1/2, so that gets put out to the side. Now we take the derivative of the inside. Let's plug in what we know. Z of t is equal to 50. dj of t is equal to 22. J of t is equal to 110. dz dt is what we're trying to find. Now we can distribute the 1/2. This is now going to be 550 because it is 1/2 times 50 times 22. The second term will be 55 times dz dt. This 50 is actually negative because the zombie is approaching from the right to the left. Now let's identify dz dt. 550 is equal to 55 dz dt. To further isolate dz dt, we do this to finish the problem, and we get that the zombie's speed is 10 feet per second.
So, as long as we run this quickly, we should be able to get away from all zombies. Jimmy, your sacrifice wasn't in vain.